Hey everyone, my name is Ankush Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today I have a challenge for you. So the challenge is you need to calculate how many quarters it took from a customer to order again. Okay. So the requirement is very simple. You need to create a dashboard. The dashboard size should be 1080 px. And this is going to the one sheet. And you need to create the LOD function and based on that create a metric. Okay, so the visualization can be anything, but I will suggest you go for the tree map. But as per your requirement, as per your understanding, you can do the bar, the table. The main motive is you need to find the how many quarter it take to customer to order again. Basically you need to find the second or the next order date, quarter date. Okay, I hope you understand the requirement. Okay. So you can use the sample superstore data to create this kind of visualization. I will show you how can we do this. So I would suggest just pause this video here and just start working on that. And if you find this solution or if you got the solution, just share your public profile. Definitely I will check that and I'll comment. Okay. So let's jump. Okay. So I've connected to my sample superstore data. Let me check. Okay, so we have date till 2024. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so the requirement is that I need to find out how many quarter it took from a customer to order again. So I'm saying, I'm saying first purchase date. So I'm saying going to be fixed my customer name, minimum my order date. So this is going to my the first purchase date. So let's customer name, first purchase date. This is going to my exact date and discrete. Okay. Now what I want the next purchase date. Okay. So the next purchase date will be, so I'm saying next purchase date. So my calculation is fixed basis of customer name and minimum of my first purchase date, which I recently calculated. Okay, the based on that, my order date, then null else order date end. Okay, so Tableau is complaining about that. Go to the closing. Okay. So no, here I missed if condition. Okay. So let me break it down for you. So I'm saying my next purchase date is, give me the customer name based on the fixed calculation. And in this fixed calculation, I am taking the minimum purchase date, which I already calculated here. And I'm comparing if minimum purchase equal to my order date, then give me nulls because they are the same date. I'm not interested. I'm interested to the next date. Otherwise, if those condition are not matching, give me the order date. So this will find me the next purchase date. I'll show you. Let me exact it. And this is going to my discrete. Okay. So the observe here in customer name Aaron. The first purchase was 18 to 2021. And if you observe out the next purchase date, he bought 7/3/2021. Okay. After the 1 month. Okay. Let's take the Aaron again. The first purchase was first purchase was 2021 and the 4th of the month, and the next purchase was this is, same year but the next month. Okay, so we have calculated the first purchase date and the next purchase date using the, so I'm saying raw data. This is my raw data, so I can check and validate everything. Okay, so we have calculated first purchase date and the next purchase date. Okay. So we are using the LOD. So next I'm saying, so the requirement is that we need to find out the quarters. Okay. So let me, so I'm saying quarter uh, since first purchase. Okay, it makes sense. So quarter since first purchase. So I'm using date diff. Date diff will be my quarter. So, so we have the first purchase date and we have the uh, next purchase date. So I'm going to my discrete and this is going to my dimension. Again, this is going to my discrete. Okay. So 50. So quarter we did that. After that, what we need? We need that quarter actually tells you the, so let me quarter took the customer to order again. Okay, we have created a quarter since from the last purchase date. And I need to like truncate the quarters. So I'm saying, sorry, quarters. I'm saying date round, quarter, and based on the first purchase date. I've directly used that, but let's to be create the separate. And it should be the quarter. This is going to my discrete. Yes. So null, this is going to my lapsed. So I rename this null value to lapsed because and entire view. Okay, and what I need customer name, text, and this is going to my count D. This is going to my in the color okay, and I don't want the this color. I will use maybe this one. No, not this one. Red and green. Okay, and let's update the tooltip. So I'm saying it took let's customer name, customer, customers. Okay, I search the quarter since purchase date, quarter when they first when they first purchase in will be my in will be my do we have first purchase date? No, just give me a minute. In just double it. So I'm saying quarter. I'm saying this is going to discrete in quarter first purchase date. It took first customer slab. Okay, let me took five customer 8 quarters when their first purchase date. What was that? I don't want this. I want this in 7. I forget something. First purchase in first and purchased in. It took this quarter when they first purchased in. So let's remove this. Something is not lapsed. Here you go. Okay. Okay. So let me explain you. Okay. So we have created two dates, which is going to first purchase date, okay, based on the customers, and next is the next uh, purchase date, okay, based on the first purchase date. Okay, so we are truncate the quarters, and the first purchase date is my column, and I have discrete and make it a dimension, so it gives me the individual numbers. Okay, and this is my the tooltip. If you hover over the 7, it took 8 customers. Okay, it took 8 customers 7 quarters when they first purchased in 2021 Q1. Okay, and if you see here, this is the red. It took 40 customer 2 quarters when they purchased in 2021 and Q2. Okay, so this is the solution for the this one. So let me create a dashboard. And what is the ask? Ask is 108. 108. So this is going to be 100. No, 108 or what was that? 1000 of 18. 1000 of 18. 1000 of 18. And this is 1000 of 18. This is for title, plan, C3 I don't want. Make it this. Here as well as title. Let me maybe green. Let's G1. Let's make it a border. Border thing. Okay. So here you go. So we have the dashboard which tells you the how many quarter it take to customer to order again. Okay. So you can just use sample superstore data to create this kind of solution. Okay. So that's it from now. Thank you so much for watching this video.